Hi, greetings everyone. Welcome to our video. Our ID is PO35 and today we are going to share to you our ID product, which is the Vertical Emergency Triangle, VET. We are participants from Polytechnic Nilai, and before we start, let me introduce our team members. Me myself is Roseanne Honzishi, and we have Pravina Anaprabha Subramaniam, Muizuddin bin Razak, and Noor Hazia binti Hussein.
Hi, and now I'll be talking about the introduction of vertical emergency triangle and why is our innovation so important. First, this is important because there are so many increase in traffic accidents. And in Malaysia itself, there are so many vehicles on the road. And this actually contributes to why there are so many traffic accidents. Number two, emergency lanes and roadsides are particularly high risk area for accidents because many fatal accidents happens when vehicle stops in this area. And as we can see in many news, motorcyclists and other road users fail to notice stopped vehicle, which actually leads to many more accidents in the particular high risk area. And next is the limitation of traditional warning triangle. We all know that traditional warning triangle does exist, but then they are so small, low to the ground, and it's not always visible to other users, especially when it is too far or due to poor weather condition, which actually makes the warning triangle ineffective in preventing accident. Hence, my team has come up with a better innovation, which is called vertical emergency triangle, and it is more effective in preventing accidents. So stay tuned to our explanation in this video. And now moving forward, we actually have two main problem statements for this emergency triangle. The first one is actually lack of knowledge. There was a research conducted by Muhammad Shukri that states that most of the public road users actually does not follow the road transport department's guideline. And what do I mean by the guideline? Actually, according to road transport department, a warning triangle must be placed 50 meters apart from the stopped vehicle. But most of the Malaysian or even public road users actually does not know and does not follow the rule. And next, we have the second problem statement, which is the height and visibility problem. In this case, the traditional warning triangle is helpful, but then the height and visibility problem has been the biggest issue for the road users.
My name is Muiz. So to understand vertical emergency triangle even further, let's dive into product description. So what does VET have? The first one is VET have metal stand as the body. So if you look at the picture, you can see the body is made out of metal stand. So this means that VET is stable and durable. Secondly, VET has adjustable height. So if you look at the picture, there's a gray area. That is where you hold VET and extend the height. And then you got the green pin to lock the height. So this allows VET to be extended for up to 150 centimeters. And this also allows visibility from afar. Next, VET has lighted arrow. So this is an arrow with LED on it, and it is powered by a battery. So the direction is adjustable, so you can make it turn to the left or to the right, and it serves as an immediate and clear directional indicator, which provides clear alert to incoming vehicles. Next, we got reflective signage on VET's stand. So if you look at the picture, you can see on the body, we got some reflective parts on it. So this will increase the visibility of VET even more by reflecting the lights of their vehicles back to the driver. And lastly, we got magnetic measuring tape, also referred to as measuring tool. So this can measure for up to 50 meters, which is the recommended safe distance by JPJ. This helps to prevent users from putting VET too close to their vehicle, which is dangerous since other road users cannot detect the hazard earlier.
Now, I would like to discuss the impacts of VET. The impacts can be separated into three sections: product, process, and people. First of all, the impact on product. VET provides improved visibility to road users. The features of the product ensure signals can be seen from a greater distance during bad weather or in dark conditions. Next, it also promotes proper usage of safety tools, as it suggests users to follow the Road Transport Department's rules by placing the triangle 50 meters away from the vehicle. Moving on to the process, the presence of VET increases the awareness and education by helping to encourage road users to use the emergency tools correctly. Lastly, impact on people. The enhancement of VET is prone to increase the safety for road users and their social responsibility, as the product reminds and alerts people about their own safety by building a better sense of caution on the roads. As a conclusion, the vertical emergency triangle VET comes with various good impacts in terms of product, process, and people. Hence, VET has a high possibility to help address the limitations of existing warning triangles.
Now let's dive into novelty. So what makes VET different from existing emergency triangle? So VET is equipped with features such as lighted arrow or LED arrow, and it provides clear directional guidance, especially useful for alerting drivers to specific hazards or traffic directions. The lighted arrow also helps with visibility, especially during nighttime. It allows broke down vehicles to be detected from further distance. Another novel feature is the measuring tool, which is the magnetic measuring tape. which is used to measure distance for up to 50 meters, which is to comply with the suggested safe distance by JPJ. This adds the practicality by allowing users to measure the safe distance for proper placements.
I'm honoured to say the VET had achieved the Gold Award in ComRise 2024 held by Polytechnic Nilai and will continue to strive in the future.
Usually, people will bring the emergency triangle with them and walk a few meters. Then, they'll place it on the ground. Sometimes, they don't even walk and just place it very close to their vehicle. Let's see how the triangle looks like from the outside and the inside point of view. Now, let's move on to our innovation, Vertical Emergency Triangle, VET. This is how VET looks like after setting it up. Now, let's see how VET looks like from the outside and the inside point of view. This is how VET looks like at night. You can see the arrow is being used.